Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on I-85, beginning at mile 23 in Gaston County, North Carolina. We enter Mccadden Ville, also known as Christmastown, USA. A Christmas tradition in the town for many years has been the decorating of the entire town in Christmas lights. Christmastown, USA contains 375 lit trees and over 200 wreaths attached to city light poles. The lights attract visitors from all over the country and is one of the biggest light shows in the U.S. Mccadden Ville has a population of 665. Next, we enter the small suburban city of Belmont. Once known as Garibaldi Station, the name change for Belmont is disputed. Some say it was named for a prominent New York banker, August Belmont. Others contend the Pope ordered the abbot of the monastery to change the name, since he would not tolerate an abbey in a place that bore the Garibaldi name, referring to the attempt by Italian General Giuseppe Garibaldi to overthrow the Pope by military action in the 1860s. The abbot could see Crowder's Mountain from the property and named the town Belmont, beautiful mountain. Belmont is home to Belmont Abbey College. At the Catawba River, we enter Mecklenburg County, which has a population of 1,076,837, making it the most populous county in North Carolina. It was named in commemoration of the marriage of King George III to Charlotte of Mecklenburg-Strelitz, for whom the county seat, Charlotte, is named. James K. Polk, the 11th President of the United States, was born in Mecklenburg County in 1795. We enter the city of Charlotte, which has an estimated population of 859,035. The Charlotte metropolitan area's population ranks 22nd in the U.S. and had a 2016 population of 2,474,314. I guess they do deserve that IKEA after all. Between 2004 and 2014, Charlotte was ranked as the country's fastest growing metro area with 888,000 new residents. Charlotte is home to the corporate headquarters of Bank of America and the East Coast operations of Wells Fargo, which, along with other financial institutions, made it the second largest banking center in the United States from 1995 to 2017, and the third largest from 2017 to present. Among Charlotte's many notable attractions, some of the most popular include the Carolina Panthers of the NFL, the Charlotte Hornets of the NBA, the Charlotte Checkers of the AHL, the Charlotte Independents of the USL, the Charlotte Hounds of Major League Lacrosse, 2 NASCAR Cup Series races, and the NASCAR All-Star Race, the Wells Fargo Championship, the NASCAR Hall of Fame, the Charlotte Ballet, Carowinds Amusement Park, and the U.S. National Whitewater Center. Charlotte Douglas International Airport is a major international hub and was ranked the 23rd busiest airport in the world by passenger traffic in 2013. Charlotte is the birthplace of Southern Baptist evangelist Billy Graham, and you'll see his name on a number of the big green signs throughout this video. At exit 38, we intersect with US Highway 21 as well as I-77, which connects Charlotte with Statesville to the north and Columbia, South Carolina to the south. As of early 2018, the highway here is named for lawyer and civil rights leader Julius L. Chambers. We leave the Charlotte city limits here at Mallard Creek. We conclude today's drive at exit 46. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.